In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access security. Then click on biometrics and password. Select screen lock and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Now it's time to create it. Select next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When you finish, hit confirm at the bottom. Lastly, answer this question by selecting one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content? Show sensitive content only when unlocked? Or don't show notifications at all? Wherever you decided, hit done at the bottom right corner. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!